Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Check this out over here. We've got a bunch of cool monster trucks right here. We've got Defender, Sparkle Smash. It's a cool unicorn monster truck. Northern Nightmare. A fire truck. Roland from the Dirt Squad. Wedge from the Dirt Squad. Snakebite. Daredevil. Motosaurus. Scooby-Doo. Horsepower. Stone Crusher. Torque Terror. Mohawk Warrior. Blue Zombie. Triceratops. Bulldozer. It's pretty cool. Let's line them all up. We got Bulldozer, Blue Zombie, Snakebite, Triceratops, Mohawk Warrior, Torque Terror, Daredevil, Defender, Stone Crusher, Sparkle Smash, Scooby-Doo, Horsepower, Motosaurus with a leaf on its back, Northern Nightmare, Fire Truck, Wedge, Roland. Oh wait, don't forget these up here. We've got El Toro Loco and Susan, and then a tree. And anything underneath? Oh, look at that! Skeletor's underneath there. Wow, that's so cool. Look at all these monster trucks we found. Let's count all the monster trucks we found. How many did we find today? We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 monster trucks and 1 tree. Which was your favorite monster truck today? My favorite today was Roland, because I think that's a really cool looking monster truck. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, friends.